Number 1, 1979 Chevrolet C20 $6,200, Yucca, Arizona. This 3/4-ton four-wheel drive square body pickup is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a manual transmission. The seller states the four-wheel drive system works properly, the brakes and gearing are solid, and the tires have about 90% tread remaining, including the spare. Finished in brown with a flatbed, it presents as a fair condition work truck. Although the odometer is not working, the clean title and strong mechanical condition make it an affordable option in the collectible square body market. Number 2, 1972 Chevrolet C20, $8,000, Denver, Colorado. This long bed C20 is equipped with a desirable 454 cubic inch big block V8 and an automatic transmission, delivering the torque and hauling capability that made these trucks popular during the muscle truck era. With an indicated 11,558 miles and a clean title, the truck is described as running and driving very well. The 1972 model year marks the final year of the classic rounded body style before the square body redesign, adding collector appeal. At $8,000 in Denver, Colorado, this example offers strong performance value in the heavy-duty classic pickup segment. Number 3, 1975 Chevrolet C10, $6,500, Hawthorne, Nevada. This orange long bed C10 features a 350 cubic inch blueprint crate engine and a 700 R4 automatic transmission, along with a Holley Sniper throttle body fuel injection system, indicating thoughtful performance upgrades. Although currently not running, the drivetrain components suggest strong potential once sorted. The truck is rear-wheel drive, shows 67,000 miles with odometer rollover noted, and carries a clean title. In the square body market, modified examples like this can attract enthusiasts seeking modern drivability upgrades at a reasonable price point. Number 4, 1956 Ford F250, $12,500, Cupertino, California. This mid-1950s F250 is a highly desirable big back window model, a feature prized for improved visibility and styling. The truck retains its original interior and drivetrain and is reported to be in running condition, preserving its authenticity. Equipped with a manual transmission and clean title, it represents classic post-war American truck engineering known for ruggedness and simplicity. Located in Cupertino, California, this example offers originality that collectors value in vintage Ford workhorses. Number 5, 1988 GMC Crew Cab Dually, $14,990, Encino, California. This rear-wheel drive Crew Cab Dually is powered by a V8 diesel engine enhanced with a rare Gale Banks turbo system, a respected period performance upgrade for heavy-duty trucks. With 38,000 miles indicated and long-term ownership history, it has been carefully used and stored. Features include power windows, power door locks, air conditioning, dual fuel tanks, sliding rear window, and updated lighting. The truck has been primered and retains a blue interior with gray exterior. Registered with a clean title in Encino, California, it represents a unique collector-grade heavy hauler from the late 1980s. Number 6, 1968 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $15,000, Rathdrum, Idaho. This family-owned Stepside has reportedly remained with the same family for over 50 years. Finished in blue and riding on new tires and rims, it retains its original body and features a rear-wheel drive configuration with automatic transmission. The truck shows 18,000 miles with rollover noted and is described as running well with no fluid leaks. Late 1960s Chevrolet pickups are highly regarded for their clean body lines and everyday usability, making this a solid classic driver in Rathdrum, Idaho. Number 7. 1952 Studebaker Truck, $17,000. Surprise, Arizona. This customized Studebaker blends vintage styling with modernized mechanical components. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it rides on a mid-1970s Jaguar independent suspension with 4-wheel disc brakes, significantly improving handling and stopping performance. Additional upgrades include new wheels, tires, fuel tank, air conditioning and heating system, and refreshed suspension bushings. With 12,000 miles indicated and a clean title, this black pickup in Surprise, Arizona offers classic looks with contemporary drivability. Number 8. 1953 Chevrolet 3100, $23,500, Morgan Hill, California. This Chevrolet 3100 retains its original 216 cubic inch inline 6 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, maintaining period correctness. Upgraded to a 12-volt electrical system and fitted with a split exhaust manifold, it benefits from improved reliability and subtle performance enhancement. With 50,000 miles indicated and a clean title, this Morgan Hill, California truck represents the advanced design era, widely appreciated for its rounded fenders and iconic post-war styling. Number 9. 1982 Toyota Truck, $500, Great Falls, Montana. This rear-wheel drive diesel pickup, originally purchased new in 1983, is offered as a salvage project after an engine bay fire. It does not run and requires towing, though it comes with a clean title and documentation. Equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, it reflects the durability reputation of early 1980s Toyota utility trucks. At $500 in Great Falls, Montana, it presents an inexpensive restoration or parts opportunity. Number 10. 1955 Chevrolet 3100, $22,000, Watsonville, California. This highly customized 3100 is built on a shortened all-wheel drive Denali XL chassis and powered by an LQ4 6.0-liter LS engine paired with a freshly rebuilt 4L65E automatic transmission. The cab has been professionally sectioned to match the chassis for a clean integration. With only 500 miles indicated, it runs and drives, requiring primarily cosmetic finishing. Features include a raised bed floor, Dakota digital gauges, and one-piece power windows. Located in Watsonville, California, this truck combines mid-1950s styling with modern performance and drivability. Number 11. 1959 Chevrolet Apache 3100 Stepside, $22,000, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Repainted and refreshed in 2020, this Stepside features a 6-cylinder engine with manual transmission and 45,000 miles indicated. Styling highlights include quad headlamps, chrome bumpers, white grille, and wooden bed floor with polished trim strips. The new gray leather interior adds comfort while maintaining classic appeal. The 1959 Apache represents the end of the task force era, valued for its distinctive front fascia and balanced proportions. Offered in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, it is a strong blend of originality and tasteful restoration. Number 12. 1966 Ford F100, $25,000, El Paso, Texas. This red F100 is powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It has been repainted in recent years and features new tires, new upholstery, new rear bumper with brackets, and new front and rear glass with fresh seals. Dual exhaust enhances its classic V8 presence. The 1966 model is part of the sought-after twin I-beam era, known for durability and distinctive styling. Located in El Paso, Texas, with a clean title, this truck stands as a well-maintained and visually striking classic Ford pickup.